Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I feel like making really cool art just for fun, so I just want to see what comes out of it. And you're probably wondering why I am a kitten, and that is because this is actually my true form. This is what was underneath my skin. I'm actually a kitten under everything, and I felt comfortable enough to show you my true form, so that is why I'm now a kitten. Okay, yeah. Anyway, let's just get right into making cool art in Blender. So the first thing we need to do is actually go into 𝓬𝓸𝓸𝓵 and choose our victim for today's project. And I think I'm going to go for you. Oh crap. It appears as though her makeup has stayed on from her last project I did with her. You know what, actually this is fine, we can fix this. Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay, so working around the actual makeup that stayed on from the last video I did, if you haven't watched yet, do go watch it. I think it was really cool. I need to choose a hairstyle, and let's see what hairstyles I actually have. Yes, I think a short hairstyle is definitely going to look good for the idea I have in my head. Trying to find the right hair color. You know what? I think we are literally just going to change the hair color in Blender, so I'll leave it like this for now. I'm gonna open Blender, go into General, delete absolutely everything, go back to 𝓬𝓸𝓸𝓵, File, send to, that's to Blender, Advanced Settings, Accept. I'm going to collapse UV tiles, uncheck selected only, and accept. Okay, now moment of truth. Did it actually work? Okay, it did. Nice. The first thing I need to do straight away is actually sort the makeup out. What the heck? Why is her hair ginger now? I mean, it's kind of cute. That's fine. We don't mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little hack real quick, which is what you're probably not supposed to do. I am just gonna simply go to the head, click this folder here, and I am just gonna check this one, and it looks fine. See, that was easy. Okay, one thing I don't like is the eye color. Hopefully I can change that. I can. I think I want to go for some dark eyes this time. Ooh, okay. I think for the actual hair color, I think I want to go for a bit of fun, because I've never done some fun colors with hair. I usually stick with same old like white and black, so we need some cool colors. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna do the most simplest thing, Control C, and I'm just gonna paste it into every single one of these textures on the hair. So I might end up changing the hair at some point, the color, but for now I think this is a pretty cool color. I think I might make the eyebrows this color as well. Or what if they were bleached blonde? How about that? What does that look like? You know what? I actually really like that. I like that a lot, actually. I'm kind of vibing with the bad bleach job eyebrows, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of vibing with it. I think the next step will be the makeup. And I already have kind of an idea of the makeup look I want to do. I think I want to go for red eyeliner and maybe a dark, bold lip. This might go awful, but this is all for fun, guys. This is all for fun. Moment of truth. It's fine, guys. It's fine, guys. It is going to be okay. You know what would be cool? How about if her eyelashes were light? How about that? Okay, we're gonna leave it like that for now and just see how we feel near the end of this, I guess. Now I want to create a really cool, like, face accessory. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it exactly, but we're just gonna see what happens and we're gonna rock with it and just hope for the best. I'm liking how this is looking so far. I'm not gonna lie. You probably think it looks really weird right now, but trust me, I've got a vision. Now, let's see how it actually positions on the face. I already know it's going to be too big, so I will have to size it down. You know what? That's not bad. I want to see what this looks like with the material I have in mind. I think we'll do the posing next. I want her arms up to her face. I'm using a reference photo off to the side and we're gonna see how it looks. I think I'm liking how it's looking so far. Now I just gotta try and position the hand the same. Posing is like the bane of my existence in Blender, guys. I just not the biggest fan of posing. So I just had an intrusive thought. I want to know how this face accessory looks furry. I know, it sounds weird. I know. I was thinking maybe it could just give it some texture. Whoa, not that texture. I don't like that texture. No. Aha! Ahahaha! Ahahaha! Wow, look at all that fuzzy goodness. Wow. This took a turn, guys. But I'm liking it weirdly. Okay, anyway, as I was supposed to be doing before I got sidetracked by the making this thing fuzzy, like me, I need to actually pose the other arm now. That's what I need to do. I think it's looking cool so far. I think next I might change the color of the nails, I think, next. I'm not trying to toot my own horn or anything, but I think this is looking pretty cool, pretty swanky. But I think next I want to have like flowers around her, almost like here. So I've got an idea. So I found this GeoNode curve asset pack from Chex, I think his name is, on YouTube. He has a YouTube if you want to watch his videos, and he has this amazing node thing. It's basically like the liquid curves generator I love to use, but flower form. And so I think I might give this a go. Does that mean I'm about to spend 20 buckaroos? Maybe. But I'm willing to spend in order to get my vision across. Yes, I think I'm gonna do it. Oh my goodness. I must have done something wrong. Ah, it's fine. You know what? We are gonna make our own flower. It's gonna be a pretend flower that I have no idea if it's gonna turn out okay, but we'll just have fun with it, I think. Look, I don't think I'm doing too bad, okay? Like, you can't tell me that doesn't look like a real flower. And then my idea is to kind of place a bunch around her head. Do you know what? I think maybe I should actually set the camera up. That was probably a smart idea. I should definitely set the camera up now. Just in case I find out that I don't even like how I'm composing it. I think I like that composition. Let's see what it looks like in the render real quick. Please, 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 please. Oh my god. Save, save, save. Okay, all that was lost is the camera setup. I actually nearly had a meltdown. I'm not gonna lie. I was about to punch my monitor. Okay, and we're back, people. We are back. Looking pretty. Right. How does that look? It broke my PC again. You joking me? Does this have a shit ton of vertices or something? Hasn't got that much. But we'll decimate it just in case these are what is making it brick. Now will it brick my PC? Well, it's concerning that it's not even rendering. Okay, so I figured it out. I had to enable it in my preferences. I know, stupid of me, but it's fixed now. And I think what I want to try is an area light, I think. Area light. Alright, let's test this out. Change it to ellipse, I mean. I definitely want like the light aiming downwards. I'm gonna test something. I'm gonna run another test. This may be a mistake, what I'm about to do, but I'm thinking about cutting her body off. Well, there is only one way to find out if it will look good or not. Now, hear me out. I think this could potentially look juicy. Okay, so yeah, I decided against the squiggles. And I really like how it looks with just a floating head and hands. So I think, without further ado, I'm going to render this. And then we'll get into the Photoshop editing biz. Okay, so this is before editing, after editing. Wow. Personally, I think it looks really cool. I think it looks really realistic. Like, I don't think I've ever done a piece where it looks so realistic, because I think all my past projects, they still have that CGI look to it. Whereas this, she could be a real person, honestly. And I think it's really cool. I think it's really moody. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Super creepy, super weird, super cool. I like it. But that's the video done now, and I hope you found this somewhat enjoyable to watch and maybe inspiring. Maybe you want to create something weird and cool in Blender just for the heck of it. And make sure you like this video, comment on it as well. Leave a nice comment, please be nice. Please be nice to me. And make sure to subscribe as well if you want to see more videos like this. And follow me on Instagram too, because that's where I post all the final results. Because who knows, I might make changes to this edit, but you'll find out if you follow me on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna go now.